Alright, coming in one more time.
Welcome back to Team O'Neill. I'm Wyatt. What we've got today is a 2022 Toyota Corolla hatchback SE, and we're going to take it out for time around the Willett Rally Loop. We've already done a whole shakedown video with a Toyota Corolla. It was just the older model. That's actually my Corolla. It's still running. It's got 220,000 miles on it. This is a new one, so we're gonna take it out just to see what it does for time. The old Corolla did it in 2:36.87, so you know, 2:36 is the time to beat today. So just for reference, this does have studded Nordman winter tires on it, and we've pulled the ABS fuse, and I've also pulled the brake light switch, which allows me to left foot brake in the car without cutting the throttle, but we don't have brake lights. So if you see in the video, there's no brake lights ever. I am using the brakes. It's just the brake light switch is disconnected for the purposes of left foot braking. Nothing else to say. 2:36. Let's see if we can do it. All right, everything's good to go. As good as it could be. Close the window just because it's cold out. 3, don't have a handbrake. 3, 2, 1, go. Wheel spin, a slow start. It's packed snow and ice through here. A little bit of a hopping. The engine mounts in this are kind of, whoa, that's a lot of understeer. The engine mounts in this, or the transmission mount or something, is kind of soft. Oh yeah, that's a lot of understeer. Let's just keep grip on the front end and get around here all right. As much speed as we can up the hill. Yeah, that clunk, clunk, clunk noise is either the engine or the transmission mounts moving when you spin the tires. Okay, a little slide through there. Turn it into a pendulum through here. I must say that's all right, it's good. I wish that I had a working handbrake instead of the push button parking brake in cars these days. I gotta focus a little and make some time here. Through the S-turns. Clean line. Oh, touched a little bit of the deep snow, slowed me down. As much, oh, that shatter noise. Oh yeah, that hurts my feelings. Okay, it is what it is. As much speed as we can through here. Kind of just balancing the understeer. Because honestly, sometimes understeer is faster. Just carry the speed and let it push through the turn if it needs to a little bit. That's okay. Coming into this guy, get it into second gear, get it up this hill, just carrying some momentum. The diff is open, and you know, I'm sure it has traction control that sort of fakes a limited slip or helps you out a little, but that's all off, and you kind of just get one tire spinning. It's not very good, but it is what it is, and it's the same as the other Corolla, so whatever. I'm just gonna leave it in second. Coming into the hairpin, left foot braking, set up a pendulum, dump your speed, ride it out. That's a big slide. Ooh, we're gonna touch the bank. That's okay, it's soft. Hope we still got our rear bumper cover. This one, also icy, I think first gear. Do what you gotta do. It's not pretty, but we barely made it anyway. Second gear and go. Lots of understeer down this very slippery hill. Carrying your speed in through. Here's the stop sign. All right, so here's the deal. The 2022 Toyota Corolla SE front wheel drive hatchback 5-speed just did it in 2:25.28. The old Corolla front wheel drive, my car, did it in 2:36.87. So over 11 seconds faster in the new one. Why is that? Well, this one has studded tires. This one's got the 2-liter 16 valve, so it's a much faster car. The hatchback, it's probably lighter, I don't really know, but the proportions are good. It just drives really nicely, and yeah, it's got studded tires where the other one didn't. So 11 seconds faster than the other front-wheel drive Corolla. The real shocker though is that we beat the turbocharged all-wheel drive Toyota Corolla GR. The GR Corolla did it in 2:30.44 and we just did it in 2:25.28. So over 5 seconds quicker than the GR Corolla. Why is that? Well, the GR Corolla was a very slippery day, and really that's all there is to it, I think, with this one compared to that one. I'd have to look and see if we had the ABS active on that. I don't really remember exactly what happened with the GR video, but that day we did it in 230 in the GR, and today we did it in 225 in this, and that's just what happened. So we can figure it out however you want to rationalize that. If you're interested in these kinds of videos, definitely check out Team O'Neill, teamo'neill.com. We run courses up here all year round. We can teach you how to drive like a rally driver. Until then, have fun, be safe, and we'll catch you next time.